In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make nested task lists in Obsidian. Let's get started right away. Head over to the File Explorer panel on the left side of Obsidian and click on the note you want to work with. This will open that note in the main editor area, ready for you to begin adding your content. Now, click inside the blank editor area directly under the note title. This places your cursor in the writing space where you'll be entering your checklist items. Next, type your flat checklist into the note. Go ahead and enter each task on its own line, making sure every line starts with the checkbox syntax so Obsidian recognizes them as tasks. Take your time and add all the items you want included in your list. Once you've finished typing, take a moment to look at the note and confirm that each line appears as a checkbox task. You should see a small empty checkbox next to every entry, which means Obsidian has correctly formatted them as task items. Now we'll start nesting. Click inside the second task line and then press the Tab key. This will indent that line so it sits underneath the first task as a sub-item. Move on to the third task line. Click inside it and press Tab again. This indents the third line under the first line as well, making it another subtask beneath your first top-level item. Next, click inside the fifth task line. Press Tab once to indent it under the fourth task line, turning it into a nested item below the fourth entry. Then click inside the sixth task line. Press Tab here too, so it also becomes indented beneath the fourth task line, joining the fifth line as another sub-item. With your nesting in place, it's time to preview the result. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+E. If you're on macOS, press Command+E instead. This switches your note from editing view into reading view, where you can see the final rendered output. Finally, look at your note in reading view and confirm that the first and fourth task lines are displayed as top-level checkboxes. The other task lines should appear indented underneath them as nested subtasks, showing the hierarchy you just created. And that's it. Now you know how to make nested task lists in Obsidian.